A major lawsuit over medical cannabis in Utah is over. Backers of the litigation dropped their case today, but they say their fight for patient access is not over. Fox 13 broke the story this morning, and Ben Winslow is live on Capitol Hill with the latest information on this. Ben.
Yeah, some of the plaintiffs tell me that dropping the lawsuit is bittersweet, but they believe it's the start of a new chapter in fighting for cannabis access in Utah.
This lawsuit was so much bigger than cannabis.
Christine Stenquist was among those who first pushed for medical cannabis in Utah, and she was among those who sued when the legislature overrode Proposition 2, the citizen ballot initiative that legalized medical marijuana.
Financially, it has gotten to be too much.
The legislature did away with the state-run medical cannabis distribution network that faced legal hurdles. Stenquist says it's a victory, but there are still problems.
We still don't have enough product on our shelves. We still don't have enough access points for patients.
But the lawsuit also went after the legislature overriding a citizen ballot initiative. That question will now remain unresolved.
This isn't only about medical cannabis. This is about the fundamental right of the people of Utah to pass initiative legislation.
The lawsuit plaintiffs say people should remember what lawmakers did to citizen initiatives when they vote in November.
People need to step up. If they want to see these changes, they can't just sit there and do mouse click activism and sign petitions. They need to step up.
Meanwhile, private dispensaries are opening in the state to qualifying patients, but one of the plaintiffs warns that faces trouble in the next few months.
The patient cap numbers are an issue.
Dr. Andrew Talbot says there still aren't enough physicians able to recommend cannabis, and those that do have limits on how many patients they can treat.
Come January 1st, there are going to be thousands and thousands of patients in Utah that do not have legal access to cannabis.
Meanwhile, Truce says it will continue to push for better cannabis access. Stenquist says Utah may also one day make a push for recreational marijuana.
Adult use in Utah? Absolutely. Why not? Absolutely.
Now, the Utah Attorney General's office and Governor Gary Herbert's office both declined to comment on the lawsuit's dismissal. The state did reach a settlement of sorts with Truce, agreeing to pay some of their attorney's fees. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.